Hi, my name is Rob Webb with Flying Cloud Yachts, and welcome to this 1974 48-foot Grand Banks trawler baccarat.
I am Captain Rick. It has new electronics and new wiring throughout. It's got new flat screen TVs and LP paint on the whole exterior. Lots of beautiful varnish. It's a very economical family cruiser. Exterior, lots of beautiful varnish. It's a very economical family cruiser being powered by twin John Deere and Marine power plants with a sizable generator and a great inverter system so you can have silence at night.